It's Beth and Carl Gress from Gress Photography, and this April we're celebrating 19 years in business, which is honestly very hard to believe. When we started Gress Photography back in 2007, the real estate industry was really different, and photography in general was so different from what we see today. So we thought it'd be fun to talk about a few things that have changed over the past 19 years. So when we started back in 2007, the first iPhone was just released, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Instagram wasn't a thing. Social media marketing wasn't a thing. Most people use their office camera to take pictures, so hiring a professional photographer wasn't really something that was done. Today, listings include professional photos, a lot of times aerial photography, video, 3D tours, and then we see a lot of virtual products coming in with virtual staging and virtual twilights and that sort of thing. So the way homes are marketed now is completely different than what it was looking like back in 2007 when we got started. So let's talk about what it actually looked like back in 2007 when we started taking pictures. I remember.
So do I.
It's crazy.
We were using a D200.
Yeah, from Nikon, our first camera was a Nikon D200. We used to use a flash on top.
Yeah.
And then handheld, no tripod, editing these photos, trying to make them look good. It was back when, like, think about it, there was no Google Calendar. There was no way to track appointments or anything like that online. I had like a planner. Yeah. So I would write appointments down, scratch them off when they changed, stuff papers inside with information about the shoot and all that kind of stuff. And it really was crazy because you lost a paper, you lost the shoot, and you're like, oh my gosh, what do you do? And then photo delivery too. I don't even remember how we did that. Dropbox?
Dropbox.
Was Dropbox a thing then, or just starting to be a thing?
It was, yeah.
Yeah, so we would send like a Dropbox link to people and then struggle with them trying to figure out how to use it. It was just really not an easy thing. Like, was Google Maps even a thing then?
Well, the iPhone introduced Google Maps.
Right. So before we had the iPhone, we were using like a real freaking map.
Well, and a GPS.
Oh, the GPS. That's right. It would sit on top of the dash. Yeah. It would sit on the dash. You go around the turn, it would slide down the counter or the dashboard.
And you hoped it was updated.
Forgot about that. Yeah. But yeah, that was like being a cowboy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny. So yeah, now technology has certainly made our lives so much easier.
Absolutely.
Just with the cameras even, and all of the methods of keeping track of stuff and placing orders. It has really transformed business and has really, technology has really helped us make life a little bit easier.
Yeah.
When it works.
Huge advancement.
Yeah, when technology works. So I forgot all about the GPS thing. The Garmin GPS. That's so funny.
Yeah.
But anyway, so yeah, things certainly have changed over the years. So fun fact, in 2007 when the iPhone came out, the Christmas before, so Christmas of 2006 is when the Wii was introduced at Christmas time. So that was funny. And then another thing I looked up is in 2007 was the final episode of The Sopranos. So if you remember that was when we decided to make this a go as a real business in 2007.
That was a good show.
That was a good show, yeah. But it's kind of funny because like we say we started our business in 2007, but we were shooting houses before that. It was just like a thing. Like somebody from the office would be like, hey, can you guys photograph a house for us? And I'd be like, okay. But I remember the first shoot I went to on my own. I was terrified. But Do you remember?
I do remember. I remember when we bought our first camera and you were about ready to kill me as much money as I got.
God, it was so expensive. It was so much money. And now buying a new camera is just like, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we just recently purchased the Z8. So.
Yeah, I still can't think it was expensive. But yeah, it's really funny.
Amazing camera.
So while we're at it, let's talk about aerial photography. Like back in the day, in 2007, if you wanted aerial images, you either were getting a huge ladder to try to get up off the ground,
A bucket truck.
renting a bucket truck, or putting your camera on top of a 25-foot pole.
Yeah.
And your other option was like hiring an airplane or a helicopter to get aerial photos. So now the drone certainly makes life so much easier with capturing those images. But certainly taking the tests and getting certified is not any fun. When did you start flying the drone?
At first we hired somebody and then he decided he was going to go into fine art and quit drone.
That's right, I forgot about him.
And that's when I had to get mine.
But how long ago was that? That was
no idea.
Over 10 years.
Oh yeah, back when the Phantom 2 was the newest drone.
Yeah, that little white thing. My gosh. Yeah, so now everybody has gotten their drone license. Everybody's capable of flying the drone and having fun with it. Yeah, it's just amazing how that piece of equipment has changed everything when it comes to real estate photography.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So of course, a lot of everyday things have changed too since 2007. So I did a little research, and back in 2007, gas averaged around $2.80 a gallon.
And the average home price was about $247,000.
Which is kind of nuts, because like a bi-level was under $200,000.
Yeah.
And now they're way over 300.
350, yeah.
Which is nuts.
Yeah.
It's freaking nuts. And anyway, milk back then was about $3 a gallon. I should have looked up how much orange juice is, because orange juice right now is like $9 a gallon. And I think milk is pushing like between 4 and 5 a gallon. Not quite sure.
And eggs, I'm not sure what eggs are now.
Yeah, thank God our chickens are laying eggs. So, anyway. So over the past 19 years, we've had the privilege of photographing thousands of homes across central Pennsylvania and the greater Philadelphia area. And with that, we've been working with many incredible realtors as well. And we're incredibly grateful for the trust that our clients have placed into us every day over the years. So to celebrate that, Carl, we're offering a small thank you. You going to share?
Why don't you tell them about the anniversary offer that we're having?
So throughout the month of April, we're offering a $19 anniversary credit towards any photo package booked in the month of April. So just use the promo GP19 when you place your order, and you'll automatically get that $19 off your photo package that you've booked. And we can't thank you enough for being part of our journey.
Thank you.
So thank you for being part of our journey for the past 19 years.
Oh, do you think we can keep it together for 5 minutes, honey? All we have is 5 minutes. Can we just keep this together and keep it moving?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You can cry afterwards all you want.
Oh my gosh. So anyway, thank you for being part of our journey for the past 19 years, and hopefully for the next 19 as well. So we can't thank you enough for all of your support, and we're really looking forward to what the future holds for us and for Gress Photography, and certainly seeing what technology offers us as well in the future to see what things are going to look like in 19 years from now. So as always, we are Carl and Beth Gress with Gress Photography. We love to hear from you, so feel free to always give us a call.
Yes.
Don't call Carl.
I won't answer unless I know who you are.
Yeah, he won't answer the phone. But you can call me because I would love to talk to you. Our number is 717-575-3520. As always, if you didn't know by now, we do have the ability to place your orders online on our website. We do have an app that you can download for free from the App Store, the Google Play Store, where you can place your orders online and access all of your photos and everything online. And I am still crying, so sorry about that. But anyway, I can't thank you all enough for being part of our journey, and look forward to serving you for another 19 years. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.